What is Voicemod and how does it work for changing your voice into a girl's voice?
Hello and welcome to this guide. Today, we're diving into the magical world of voice modification, specifically, using the popular software Voicemod. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or just looking for some fun, Voicemod can help you to dramatically change your voice. In this guide, we'll focus on how to use Voicemod to change your voice into a girl's voice.
What is Voicemod?
Voicemod is a real-time voice changer and soundboard software for Windows. This tool lets you modify your voice in online chatting or video conferencing and provide a new level of entertainment to your online interactions. Voicemod offers an array of voice effects, from deep masculine voices to high-pitched feminine voices, and even includes fantastical options like robotic and alien voices.
How does Voicemod work?
Voicemod operates by manipulating the pitch and timbre of your voice. Pitch is the perceived frequency of sound, while timbre relates to the quality of the sound that makes it unique. By adjusting these parameters, Voicemod can transform your voice into a wide variety of sounds, including a girl's voice.
How to use Voicemod to change your voice into a girl's voice?
Firstly, you'll need to download and install Voicemod on your system. Remember that Voicemod only supports Windows at present. After successful installation, follow the steps below. 1. Open Voicemod and go to the Voice Box tab on the left. 2. Here, you'll find a variety of voice effects. Select the Magic Chords effect, which is generally a good starting point for achieving a feminine voice. 3. Now, experiment with the pitch and timbre sliders to fine-tune the effect. Increasing the pitch will generally make the voice sound more feminine. 4. You can also apply ambient effects to add background sounds or voice effects to add additional modifications. 5. After you are satisfied with your adjustments, test the voice using the Hear My Voice feature. It's worth noting that achieving a convincing voice transformation may take some trial and error, so don't be discouraged if your first attempts aren't perfect. There you have it. That's how you can use Voicemod to transform your voice into a girl's voice. Have fun exploring the different options and finding the sound that suits your needs. Remember, the most important thing is to enjoy the process and have a good time. Happy voice changing!